I'm getting ready to go in and see Johnny Mathis here at the Sharon. So excited to be able to see Johnny Mathis, not at all, let alone right here in our backyard. A legend, oh my gosh, right? Who other than Johnny Mathis can sing and do all the things that he's done for so many years throughout the decades and still be on tour delivering wonderful shows. So let's go.
Chances are, I will see the moment you come into view.
Make your club go towards the square. That's it. See? Stop, stop. Oh, good job, Jay.